everyone. Today we are gathered to attend the first Bristol Motocamp. Yan. This is a very fun and exciting event for our riders. Lahat ng QJ owners, Bristol motorcycle owners, and Moto Morini owners ay welcome na welcome sa camp na ito. Talaga naman pinaghandaan ito ng Bristol Group kasi imaginein mo magka-camping ka, mag-ride ka, and you have a chance to win a brand new Torino 125. Events like this bring such a lot of good memories for the riders sa lahat ng communities ng Bristol Group. Kaya nakakatuwa dahil paminsan-minsan lang naman nangyayari yung ganitong event na talagang magkakasama-sama ang mga grupo at magkakaroon ng oras ang mga presidents na magkakilala para mas maging progressive and mas maging productive pa ang bawat grupo. Kasi they are very unique sa bawat grupo natin sa Bristol Group, unique talaga. What's also fun about events like this ay sabay-sabay kami nagra-ride na yung iba wala man lang background about, you know, little off-roading, ganyan. Pero they got to experience it a while ago kasi nakakatuwa din yung ganun At least na-experience nila na may kasama silang grupo na handang umalalay sa kanila whatever happens. Also, Bristol Group is very supportive to think that we have complete set of departments here. Meron din tayong mga mechanic just in case magkaroon ng troubles yung mga bikes nila or may ma-aksidente, meron tayong mga nakahandang kits. And this event is very informative because we will also conduct a road safety seminar. Yan, mga simple gestures that will really help the riders out there, In addition, nakakapagpatibay talaga ng grupo, yung sabay-sabay kayong kakain, sabay-sabay kayong magkukwentuhan, may fellowship dinner at night. Yun, sana sa mga susunod na motocamp events like this ng Bristol Group ay makasama na namin kayo. This is Rides with Daniela and I'm proud to say na isa ako sa mga pioneer participant ng Bristol Motocamp.